Well, Happy New Year and welcome to the first Hey What's Next Quick Take episode. A year ago this week, I helped chaperone the local high school marching band for a multi-day excursion to Disney World. On the last day, our visit took us to Hollywood Studios, and being a Star Wars fan, you know I had to spend a good portion of that day visiting Galaxy's Edge. And while at Galaxy's Edge, I picked up this. The Droid Factory Mystery Crate. Single droid action figure included, right? So this was at the Droid Depot. And I wanted to wait a year before opening this. I don't know what's in it. You can see it's still sealed. So let's just take a quick look. The action figures behind you are the original ones that I collected as a kid back in the late 70s, early 80s. So let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see what we got here. This is not easy to open. There we go. Okay, so there's that. We're going to take this box top off. We're going to set that right there. And we're going to open this. All right, here we go. And it is all disassembled. Looks like we have the B5 SL unit. This part here is quite hefty. You can hear it. It's got a, oh, I see. So it'll always go back to that. All right. So then what we need to do is, it looks like we need to take this piece and that piece together. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to put you in here. Easier said than done, guys. There we go. And then this piece looks like it goes in like that. And there's the top. And so there we go. And you can see that it wobbles. It's a Weeble Wobble. So we have the indentation here for the round-like BB-8. So robots, droids, I should say. And we will take the sticker. There we go. All right. So after a year of waiting, there is my B5SL from Galaxy Edge. I hope you liked this quick take video. Leave me a comment below on what your favorite action figure is that you grew up with. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And we will see you in the next episode of Hey What's Next? Quick Takes.